Chuck Carstensen, Remax Results, and Team Wukar, sticking with the theme this week of making something that matters. So how do you make something that matters? Well, step number one, you got to give it your best. Give it your best at what you're doing. That might mean you might just have this side goal that is actually helping you make something that matters, the side thing you're doing, and you got an hour a day, or you got 1.5 days a week where you can go after it and make something that matters. Well, give it your best, that hour a day, that 2 hours a day, that 1 day a week, and then you don't have to feel bad. Just do that. Give it your best. Step number two, you got to have some goals, meaning figure out what your goals are. Sit down, figure it out, and have something to shoot for. Then you know if you're off track, you can adjust. And step number three, take the focus off yourself. When you're trying to make something that matters, it's really about other people. Who can you serve? Who can you help? How can your opportunity bless somebody? How can it save somebody, money? How can it put money back in their pocket? Just think of those ideas of A, give it your best. B, yes, you got to have some goals so you know what to shoot for. And C, take the focus off yourself. Don't worry about what people think of you. Just try to help people, solve some of their problems, and that's going to help you make something happen. And I'm losing my voice, a little bit of a cold. So that's my video for today. Have a blessed day. We'll talk to you soon.